welcome to the Arab Innovation Academy. Within the next 10 days, we will build real startups from just an idea.
The hope is that this is going to be the beginning of a journey. Our vision and hope for it is that it will evolve and grow bigger and bigger with time. And hopefully we'll be traveling across the Arab region.
I'm very happy to be here because it's very big event in the world Arabic, because he promotes the development and the innovation in the Arabic world.
My expectations from this huge program is actually to upgrade my framework of business and of entrepreneurship as well.
So I'm so excited about coming over here, and my expectations is to meet grinders, to meet humblers, to meet adventurers.
So why we are focusing on students, why we believe students actually can make a change. If you think about Google, Facebook, Uber, all these great new companies actually created by young people who are crazy enough to come up with crazy ideas and change completely how we consume products and services, but how we actually maybe also make social impact as well. Take it just as a kind of discovery of yourself. What is your future? What is your career?
Students they're at the most creative stages of their lives. And what we're trying to do is to provide them basically an entrepreneurship school in a setting that doesn't depend on lectures and case studies and textbooks. What we're doing here is building companies we learn by doing. So actually everybody rolls up their sleeves and builds companies from scratch.
This program is going to change the way you think, and you're never going to go back to thinking normally again. You're going to be very bored of life. This program teaches you how to think differently, how to build something. It empowers you, and it's something that I find very rewarding, because not only are we teaching them one thing, we're teaching them how to fish. Right? You go out and they can build, if this company doesn't work out, they can go and build another company and figure out how to validate.
And this is exactly why I consider his programs very good, because students studying engineering have this kind of mindset. They want to solve problems, but they don't necessarily know the business approach or the marketing approach, and these programs bring both of those mindsets together.
Okay, it's really fun. I swear guys, it's really fun.
We seem to have an idea.
Think of any customers that you have ignored, that you have not thought of, that could actually use your product or service.
A really tough question is how much a customer is willing to pay for your product.
I think it's a really interesting experience, because we're doing everything so quickly. We have to think fast, and especially to agree fast, which is the most difficult part.
And 1 minute, go. So you can agree, you can create accounts. So we have our logo.
On our app is a description of what it does.
And either look at Facebook and Google+.
The challenges that I've faced in the past few days were ones I would have never anticipated. Teams being changed, ideas I thought would change the world changing overnight, and all of these things coming together to make me realize that I need to understand that a startup isn't as easy as it sounds or people make it seem.
It's just quite common that when you start a program and you start to keep really attached to your baby, to your idea, and what happens is as soon as the idea crashes, most of the time the team crash with the idea, and so that's a big lesson, because EIA also allows the teams to crash at some point, both from the personal perspective and also on the process.
Now everything is doing really great. Our mentors are helping us, and yeah, I'm really proud of how we get along in our team, and now yeah, everything is really good.
But the best part of it all is that even though this is a competition and we all have this intrinsic sense to want to win, we sort of put that aside and realize that it's more crucial for us to see this as a learning opportunity, and to understand that the small things we do in order to learn and the small steps we take in order to achieve more as a group is way more worth it than actually winning at the end.
Probably the thing I enjoyed most was our birthday song when we surprised Rick on the stage. and seeing everybody chip in with the Arabic version, that I think was a really good way of showing that family spirit here. And I think the organizers, it's amazing what they do. There's so few people actually making us all feel like part of a family and everything's working smoothly. I don't know how they do that, but it's wonderful to be a part of that extended family.
And so at the end of the day, it's all about people. And since all of us are like, we have a synergy, we know each other well, and yes, we are ready, and let's just do it.